Are pesky drain flies buzzing around your house driving you crazy? Say goodbye to these unwelcome guests, and hello to a fly-free zone with our ultimate guide on how to eradicate drain flies for good. From simple DIY methods to professional tips, this video has got you covered. Don't allow those tiny insects to ruin your day. Watch now and reclaim control over your home. Here are the best ways to eliminate drain flies. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Many often laud apple cider vinegar for its numerous health benefits, but it can also be a powerful tool in removing drain flies. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar makes it an effective natural remedy for breaking down organic matter that may clog your drains and attract these insects. Pouring a mixture of apple cider vinegar, dishwashing detergent, and water down your drain can help eliminate the food source that drain flies thrive on. The strong scent of apple cider vinegar is a repellent, deterring drain flies from breeding and congregating in your pipes. Besides, incorporating apple cider vinegar into DIY traps can reduce the population of drain flies in your home. Create a trap by covering a bowl with plastic wrap and poking small holes in it to allow drain flies to enter. Fill the bowl with apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap to break the surface tension. The sweet aroma will attract the drain flies to their demise as they get trapped in the solution. This natural approach eliminates adult drain flies and disrupts their life cycle by preventing further reproduction in your drains. 2. Have you ever considered the power of a simple combo of salt, baking soda, and vinegar to combat pesky drain flies? This dynamic trio helps eliminate these unwelcome guests. It's a natural and affordable solution for maintaining a clean home environment. Salt is an abrasive agent, aiding in breaking down organic matter in drains that attract drain flies. When combined with baking soda, a deodorizer, and mild abrasive, the mixture becomes even more effective at keeping drains clear and odor-free. Finally, vinegar creates a fizzing reaction that helps dislodge debris and kill lingering pests. Mix a cup of vinegar, half a cup of salt, and half a cup of baking soda for a potent solution that dislodges your drain. This potent blend tackles existing drain fly infestations, and it's a preventative measure against future occurrences. You can help discourage drain flies from breeding in damp and organic buildup by regularly using this natural mixture to clean your drains. Moreover, the combination of salt, baking soda, and vinegar is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize green cleaning solutions. 3. Regular cleaning solution. Maintaining a clean and odor-free drain is essential to prevent pesky drain flies from residing in your home. One simple yet effective solution is to use your regular cleaning solution to keep the drains free from buildup that attracts these insects. Whether it's a store-bought cleaner or a DIY concoction, regular use can help break down grease, grime, and organic matter that serve as breeding grounds for drain flies. Embracing this practice in your routine cleaning regime eliminates potential sources of infestation and ensures better drainage in your pipes. The key lies in consistency. Treating your drains with the same attention as other surfaces in your home can significantly reduce the chances of dealing with bothersome drain flies. So, next time you reach for your cleaning supplies, remember that a quick cleanse of your drains can go a long way in keeping these unwelcome guests at bay. 4. Boiling water. Boiling water is a simple yet powerful solution when dealing with drain flies. The intense heat from boiling water can kill any eggs or larvae lurking in your drains, disrupting the fly breeding cycle and removing the infestation at its source. Moreover, pouring boiling water down your drains can dislodge organic matter buildup and debris that attract drain flies in the first place. This method is affordable, eco-friendly, quick, and easy to implement, making it a convenient remedy for those looking to eliminate these pesky insects without harsh chemicals. Furthermore, incorporating essential oils or vinegar into the boiling water mixture can enhance its effectiveness against drain flies. Essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil are natural insect repellents that can deter these flies from returning to your pipes after treatment. You can also add vinegar since it can help break down grease and grime in your drains while adding an extra punch against stubborn fly infestations. Harnessing the power of boiling water with natural additives can create a potent solution that targets existing drain flies and prevents future occurrences, keeping your drains clean and pest-free. 5. Plumbing snake or drain clog remover. The trusty plumbing snake can be a lifesaver when dealing with stubborn drain clogs. This flexible tool can easily navigate through pipes and dislodge blockages, making it a popular choice among homeowners. The simple yet effective design allows you to tackle tough clogs and drain flies without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive professional help. On the other hand, drain clog removers offer a quick and convenient solution to pesky blockages. With powerful formulas that break down debris and hair, these products can clear your drains. While they may not provide the same hands-on experience as a plumbing snake, drain clog removers are hassle-free for those looking to fix their drainage issues and eliminate food sources for drain flies. Whether you opt for the mechanical prowess of a plumbing snake or the chemical power of a drain clog remover, both options have their merits when tackling stubborn clogs. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your preferences and comfort level with DIY solutions. Whichever method you choose, rest assured that relief from pesky drain flies is within reach with these tools at your disposal. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of moss in a lawn naturally and fast. Thanks for watching and bye for now.